Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello kombucha enthusiasts. In this video, I will show you how to make a Scoby from scratch, even if you don't have an existing one. This easy guide will walk you through the steps to grow your very own symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. We'll cover everything from gathering your supplies to the final harvest. It's a rewarding process that takes about 2 to 4 weeks, but the result is a vibrant, healthy Scoby ready for brewing delicious kombucha. Let's get started on this exciting journey. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a clean, wide-mouthed glass jar, ideally a 1-quart size. For the ingredients, brew 1 cup of strong black or green tea, then let it cool completely to room temperature. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar and 1/4 cup of unpasteurized, unflavored kombucha. This store-bought kombucha acts as your initial starter culture, providing the necessary bacteria and yeast to kickstart your Scoby growth. Cleanliness is crucial for success. Now let's combine our ingredients. Pour the cooled, sweetened tea into your sanitized glass jar. Then, add the 1/4 cup of unpasteurized kombucha. Give it a gentle stir to mix everything thoroughly. Next, cover the jar's opening with a breathable material, such as a coffee filter or a piece of cheesecloth, and secure it tightly with a rubber band. This allows air circulation while keeping out unwanted contaminants. Place your jar in a quiet, warm spot, away from direct sunlight, maintaining a temperature around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Over the next 2 to 4 weeks, you'll notice a thin, translucent film beginning to form on the surface of your liquid. This is your Scoby in the making. It will gradually thicken and become more opaque. Once it reaches at least 1/4 of an inch in thickness, it's ready to be harvested. You can gently remove it from the jar. Remember to reserve at least 1 cup of the liquid, which is now strong starter tea, for your very first batch of homemade kombucha. Congratulations, you've grown your own Scoby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.